What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tonight Diamonds, and I'm back again with another video. This is the first time you see my face on your screen. Make sure you guys give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And check out my previews if you haven't. They'll be up in the eye and the end cards. So before I get started with this video, I got some things I gotta address, girl. So literally a couple of days ago, I had addresses on my Instagram already. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you probably already know the story. But for those of y'all that didn't see that Instagram post that I made, I'm gonna just tell y'all. So a couple of days ago, I won a giveaway from Liz Fashion Talents. And, you know, of course, I DM'd her right away and stuff like that. Yeah, tell me why someone decided to make a fake Instagram page of me. I'm gonna show you the text messages because she sent me the text between her and the person that was pretending to be me. So this person first of all used my YouTube profile picture and used whatever I have in my bio of my YouTube, use that on my Instagram, which, let me tell you something. I have 3 Instagram pages that I use. Makeup by Sanaya, Nevaeh_Milan, or Diamond_Beauty with 2 E's. So anything else y'all see on me is fake. It's fake. If I haven't announced anything, then most likely they me. So yeah, the person also put my YouTube channel on in the bio of their Instagram, like it's me as well. Please. Now luckily, you know, I did tell Liz that I wanted to ship the items to my boyfriend's house instead, because that's what I usually do, because things tend to get stolen over here. So I can't take a gamble with sending stuff here sometimes, but most of the time I send it to my boyfriend's house. Anyways, so thankfully I did say that, because when Liz mentioned about my boyfriend to the fake person, that person would be like, oh yeah, we broke up, my boyfriend's... I'm like, are you serious? It's one thing to be me, but you don't have to disrespect my boyfriend too to get something free from somebody. And turns out, yeah, this person lived in Detroit. I don't live in Detroit. So I'm just like, this is some next level stuff. Like I've seen like people pretend to be other people on YouTube, as far as like when it comes to giveaway stuff, and they would be like, oh yeah, you won the giveaway, hit me up at Telegram, which is clearly a scam. Clearly anyone that's doing a giveaway, they would say, I would not say hit me up on Telegram or ever like that. But to go as far as making an Instagram page and me try to receive the items, and mind you, the person didn't even know what they won. They didn't even know what the giveaway was. So I'm just like, you really that low to like mind y'all know I just enter giveaways freely. I don't expect to win, but if I do win, great, I'm happy about it. But if I don't win, I'm not going to go and make a fake page with the person that won and try to beat them to get the stuff. That's just stupid. That's very, very stupid. But yeah, that's what I had to deal with. You know, I reported the page, my boyfriend reported the page. It should be gone, done and gone. But yeah, and one thing, the only account I have that's after my channel name is my TikTok. It's my TikTok. That's the only account I have that is after my YouTube name. And then I also have a Pinterest with that name too. As far as Instagram, it's Makeup by Sanaya, or it's Nevaeh_Milan, or it's Diamond_Beauty. So I don't know what possessed this person to do this, but hopefully this doesn't happen again, because that was very scary, very ridiculous. I was like getting very frustrated and annoyed by that. That's when we really go out their way to do that. But yeah, so that crazy story is out the way. You guys, we're in the month of March, and you know what that means? It is my birthday month. I was gonna post a video on March 1st, but I didn't. But yeah, it is my birthday month, so I'm very excited for that. I'm gonna be turning 25 on the 29th, and yeah, I feel old, you guys. I do. I know you're probably like, girl, 25 is not even old, but I feel old. Okay. But yeah, I definitely want to do something for my birthday for sure. Vacation was the ideal go to, but we'll see what happens. Whatever I do, whether I go to Atlantic City or, you know, whatever it is. But yeah, I want to put that out there. But anyways, you guys, the main purpose of this video is because I received a little friend mail from Miss Cherry. This was supposed to be included into the haul video I did, but it was delayed and stuff, so today I finally got it. So she sent me a couple of things, so definitely go and check out her channel. I will leave it in the title for you guys to just click over. I will put it in the description box as well. Check out her channel. You will love her channel. She's a sweetheart. So yeah, I love the cherry little disco things here. So I wanted to open this on camera so you can see my raw, fresh reaction, you know. Okay. Put that right here. Look at everything, so cute. I see a little note. Oh, first off, I see these cute bow stickers. I love me some bows. And let's read the notes. So it says, "Hey Sanaya, thank you so much for all your love and support. Here's one of my favorite snacks to get a poppin'. Stay sweet and love Miss Cherry." So this is a cute little note. So we have like a Barbie tissue here, which yeah, I've been needing to keep these in my bag, and I've been seeing them at Burlington all the time, and I just be like, I get the next time, She sent me some Skittles. She sent me some popcorn. I'll be making that. And I love this little sticker right here. It says, "Thank you, Cherry." Oh, that's so cute. You know what's crazy, guys? I literally had this in my SHEIN cart for so long, and I was literally like, I need to purchase this. Yes, it's so cute. Look at how cute this is. And we have some lemonade and natural flavored. Also, this is basically like give your water some flavor if you don't want to drink the water straight up. And it says, "You are proud for your beautiful, brilliant, and brave." This is cute. It's like a, I guess this is like a notebook. It feels like know your worth on each page. But that's super cute. And this one says, "Be happy." I love the little neon moment going on right here. So I could definitely use that for like, you know, what's in my bag video. Oh my god, I'll pick that up. But yeah, thank you, girl. I appreciate all these items. Definitely go check out her channel. Like I said, you guys, you will love her channel. Link in the description and in the title. Her name will be right there. Definitely go check her out. And yeah, I will see you guys. Oh yeah, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on my social medias in the description box down below. And check out my second channel, always in the description box, and my spiritual channel, because I'm thinking about coming back to post some more on my spiritual channel, so definitely go check that out. Oh, you guys, have you heard the whole situation about the braids, like the extension braids going on, that they have cancer in them now apparently? Girl, when I tell you, I was so upset because I wanted to get my hair braided for my birthday, and now I can't even do that because I'm like very skeptical about that. They're trying every way to kill us, like every freaking girl, like this. I can't. Y'all let me know your thoughts about that, because I feel like that's so ridiculous now. Like, I want to look, not got about a damn wig, not got about a wig. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video.